Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be choosing a makeup look and I have chosen the Arabic makeup look. I would like to share with you this makeup anatomy. So I think this is what we should consider when doing this modern Arabic makeup. So if you want to learn more about this makeup, please keep on watching. First things first, let's use a facial mist. I really love this because it really refreshes my skin. And then I love using sunblock. Like in my previous videos, we just have to massage it all over our face and don't forget the neck. I highly advise you to really massage your face before putting on makeup because it just gives you that glow. Next is I'm using a beauty blender and spraying it with my mist, facial mist, or you can use a setting spray. And then just applying the foundation. I'm using L'Oreal Infallible. I forget what the shade is. Anyways, I'm smearing it with my fingers. I love doing it because, it warms up the product. And then, I'm using the beauty blender to carefully blend everything in place. Make sure that, everything is evened out. And because it's Arabic makeup look, I highly suggest that, not highly suggest, it's still your preference, but I think we go on the full coverage here. I'm just making sure that everything is covered and also my forehead. Yeah, I have a lot of unevenness in my forehead area. It's really satisfying for me to cover the redness around my eyes, my eyelids, and then now I'm just applying some foundation in my neck area. There you go. And also don't forget the ears. Now I'm using a concealer under my eyes, around my nasal labial folds, and it's like also concealing and highlighting or brightening that area. We want a dimension, so I'm carefully placing it in these areas. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe. You can also share this video so we can be able to help our fellow ladies or gentlemen out there. Knowing the makeup techniques that will suit your face is really a big help. You can do that on yourself. You can save a lot of money. That's why I'm really inspired in doing this makeup videos. You know what? I'm actually using a baby powder in here. I'm not using any translucent powder. I ran out. So yeah, actually this works. I promise you guys, my makeup lasts a long time. Oh, my baby says hi. Hello there, little one. Hi. So now let's go to the fun part. Just use a nude beige as your base on your eyelids, and then with your lightest brown eyeshadow, map out your eye sockets. Just like so. I'm using a window wiping motion. And then slowly build it up, guys, because it's really important. Next is I'm using like a coffee colored brown, warm brown, and then I'm applying it at the outer V of my eyes and then the inner part of my lids, because what we're doing here is like a halo effect. A halo effect is like the outer corner of your eyelids and the inner corner is darkened. So that's what I'm doing. What I actually learned in doing makeup is it's so important to just build up the color, because sometimes when you really put on a lot of pigments on your eyes, you tend to make a lot of mistakes, and this will save you a lot of time. Now I'm just carefully lining it with a black eyeshadow. I'm doing like a cat eye, and don't worry if you make mistakes, just use a concealer. Now I'm using a liquid eyeliner. I'm lining out a triangular shape in my inner corner of my eyes, just like so, just like a cat. I love this in Arabic makeup. It's like you're so sexy looking. Your eyes are cat-like. I really love this. And I used to be afraid of doing Arabic makeup because I really look scary because since I have Asian features. Anyways, proceeding to the eyebrows, I'm just using a pencil. And in Arabic makeup, what I notice is that they really love a strong, thick eyebrows. And it's gonna be well shaped. Just like this. I don't want it to be too angular because my facial structure has already a lot of angles. That's why I make it just right. As the saying goes, hair frames the face and eyebrows frames the eyes. That's why it's really important to have a well-groomed eyebrows or well-shaped eyebrows. Moving on, in contouring your nose, it's actually a personal preference. Here, I'm just trying to make my nose look taller. That's why I'm adding extra shadows. But don't worry guys, you do you. So right now, I'm just lightly contouring the sides of my face, my forehead, and especially my cheekbones because I have a high cheekbones. I'm just aiming for a well-balanced look. So there you go. It's really important to know the balance between light and dark, or what we call chiaroscuro. Now I'm just patting on a coral blush. I'm using a very light hand on this because we don't want to overpower the eyeshadows. It's just kind of like not a cherry on top, but maybe like a sprinkles. Now for the lips, we are aiming for a well-defined lip shape. And since I have rounded lips and my cupid's bow isn't that noticeable, that's why by using a lip brush, you can easily redraw any shape that you like. Now I also added an upturned line at the corners of my mouth and also at the bottom of my lips. It will make it look poutier, and right now I'm also just trying to make an ombre effect. So here you go. Next is I'm just using a matte lipstick. You can use any shade that you want, but since I think this is a beautiful color that complements our eye makeup, this is the way to go. This makeup actually reminds me of the desert. Now I'm just adding a shimmer on my cupid's bow and on the tip of my nose to finish off the look. Moving on to the hijab. Actually, I don't know how to properly wear this, but I have a beautiful step-cousin. She's Jordanian, half Filipina, half Jordanian, and she taught me how to wear a hijab. So this is just what I remembered. I actually didn't use any pins. I was trying so hard to really pull this off, but then as you can see, it's just like a messy hair, but in a scarf form. But I hope you guys like this look. I think it's really beautiful, it's sophisticated, and of course, thank you so much for watching. Bye!